In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly and easily import your PDF documents into Canva, transforming them into editable files. This is an incredibly handy skill to have, whether you're looking to make slight alterations to a document, spruce up your presentation materials, or get creative with content layouts. By following my guidance, you'll be able to unlock a new dimension of flexibility and creativity with your PDFs. Let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is open up your computer and locate the PDF document that you'd like to work with. This might be a file stored locally on your device, or maybe it's tucked away on a cloud service. Either way, make sure you have a clear understanding of where it's saved so that you're not left searching at the last minute. Once you've found your PDF, it's time to jump over to Canva. If you're not already familiar with it, Canva is a fantastic, user-friendly tool that allows you to design virtually anything, from social media posts to presentations and invitations. And the best part? It's incredible at making the editing process as seamless as possible. Here's where the magic happens. With Canva open, all you need to do is simply drag the PDF directly into the Canva workspace. You'll notice that the interface is very intuitive, so dragging files onto it feels like second nature. As soon as you release the file, Canva will begin the upload process automatically. There's no need to click a specific upload button or navigate away to a different menu. After the upload is complete, you'll find that the PDF is now not only viewable, but also fully editable. This means you can start making changes right away, alter text, move elements around, and employ Canva's extensive toolbox of design features to enhance or personalize your document as you see fit. It's incredibly straightforward, giving you the freedom to customize without any hassle. And there you have it, you're done. What used to be a static, unchangeable document can now be manipulated and improved upon with ease. This process shows just how streamlined and empowering working with digital design software can be. I hope this tutorial has demystified the process for you and provided the confidence you need to start editing PDFs in Canva like a pro. Remember, the key to mastery is practice and exploration, so I encourage you to try different features and see where your creativity takes you. Thank you for joining me today, and happy designing.